So what's happening at the demo center at AM.CO.za? In the last video, we enjoyed the speed and quality of the RayCut, as it made light work on cutting out our design on 8mm steel. In this video, we're going to use the LaserMaster Versatile to weld it all together. After creating a jig to work from, and we take care of our settings for this weld, we will be using a feeding speed of 10mm per second and a wobble length of 3mm per second. Okay, we are going to create a pyramid. So to start with, let's just tack the shape in place. And with that done, we are ready to start welding. Now that's not bad at all. Of course, you are welcome to come on in and do even better. That's the point of the demo center, to get you here. So come, just WhatsApp sales to book your appointment.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.